Moving on, introducing to you our next two teams. First, Meralco Bolts. From Bacolod City, Jersey 0, Tonino Gonzaga. From Cebu at number 7, Alfred Patino. From Guagua, Pampanga at number 9, Dexter Michaels. From Cebu at number 15, Joseph Sadurifa. Coach of the Meralco Bolts, Coach Patrick Frank. Next team, Limitless Appmasters. Former UAAP champion from Quezon City, Nico Salva. Wearing jersey number 7, it's Daryl Pascual. From Maragondon, Cavite at number 20, Simon Camacho. From Tagbilaran City in Bohol at number 25, Al Francis Tamsi. Coach of Limitless Appmasters, Coach Willie Wilson. Our officials, Dat Sakanay and Brian Peclaro.
The Limitless Appmasters are still looking to get back their old championship form at para kay Coach Willie Wilson. The team is still experiencing the growing pains of a new team, which can only be solved by playing more games. While we know that there were dominant players in his previous lineup, Coach Willie Wilson was set on ensuring that his system is not focused on a single player. Sabi niya, it is about the 4 players getting the best shot as possible because he gives equal opportunities. That's why for him, the goal today is simple. Win so they can play more games and have the opportunity to gel. Gentlemen?
Actually, yun talaga. If they lose, they're out. Win to get in para sa Limitless, and Nico Salva gets their scoring going with that layup. Gonzaga is with Sedorifa and Patino. Waiting si Mike sa kanilang bench. Nabanggit na natin. Etong si Salva, kasama niya. Etong si Camacho and Tamsi. Offensive foul, Coach Ronnie.
Easy call to make. Entry pass by Sedorifa para kay Patino was exact. But Patino overpowering Tamsi instead of turning to the baseline and scoring for Meralco.
Di bakit pala? Easy call.
Hindi nila inabot yun.
Pinag-visit lang kita, Coach.
Ako lang ang nakakaalala noon. Hala ka.
2-0 para sa Limitless. Appmasters nga to eh. Tayo, muntikan na natin hindi abutin mga app.
Nung nanood nga ako ng Stranger Things, parang at home ako eh. Nakita ko yung computer dati. Nakita ko yung mga VHS dati. Betamax. Wag na yun. Dito muna tayo. Huling laban na pool play dito sa ating leg 4 bago tumulak ang knockout matches.
At binanggit mo na kanina, Coach Ronnie, meron tayong official results coming from the previous matchup doon sa Pool C. Platinum. Although triple tie sila netong Terra Firma at Sista at natalo pa sila netong huling game. Number 1 pa rin sa kanilang pool with 60 points. Terra Firma is now up there at 58. That's the second seed. At ang Sista kahit po nanalo last game, kinapos ng 2 points. Dahil 20 points lang na-score nila. 56 total lang sila. Out pa rin ang Sista.
Very hard to get into the quarterfinals. Difficult to land in the money round. And when you get there, kailangan mapagsamantala ka dahil napakahirap makarating. Free throw para sa number 1 scorer ng Meralco. Good start para dito sa Limitless, up by 3 laban sa Meralco na nahihirapan paratingin yung bola sa loob.
It truly is a PBA 3x3. The easiest way to get to the next round. I'm talking about easiest para sa ating mga nanonood. Hindi do sa mga player. Is to go 2-0 or 3-0 sa yung pool. Para walang complication, huwag kang papatalo kahit isa.
Easier said than done.
Sa atin lang, wala kasing competition kaya easy. Sa kanila, mahirap pa rin.
Mahirap paglaro dyan.
Limitless up by 3. 4-1. That drive by Tonino Gonzaga. Welcome back, sirs. He has missed so much time. He's been back a couple of legs now.
Very aggressive offensively.
Tonino rifles it across. It is Sedorifa. who punches it through.
Only a 1-point conversion.
Oh,
But a good extra pass coming from Gonzaga.
stepping pa naman. Salva? No. White ball. Last touchdown. Etong Limitless. Talking about Pascual. Lamang pa rin naman dito ang gray shirts. Sedorifa looking to tie it. My guess, back to Joseph. Panlamang pala. Sedorifa misses though.
Good contest. Excellent blackout. Open is Tamsi.
And he makes him pay.
My guess, not reacting, not closing out. Finally, the ball is downstairs para sa Meralco. That is their bread and butter. It has to be a constant effort to get that ball underneath for them if they're to get past Limitless, a team that they beat doon sa nakalipas na leg 3 and due to a spot sa dulo.
It's a completely new look Limitless Appmasters
Oo,
squad
no?
ni Coach Willie. Wala na si Rosser. Alam na natin lahat yun. Si Marvin Hayes nandun na naman sa Pure Foods. Pero pati yung Kaduyak at saka si
Nakuha na ng Limitless.
Saka
pati
Sinapoles.
eh
Oo.
wala ngayon for this
Meron pang
particular
isa
leg.
dati, hindi ko na matandaan kung sino eh. Na naglaro para dito.
Nagkaroon pa ng sabihan eh. Although those
Isa
four
pa
were the
eh.
mainstays, meron din naman silang nirotate.
Finally, they get it deep.
Nice bounce to the other side. Meralco within 2. Salva with the mid-range J. Tonino goes reverse. Mike is trying to clean it up pero meron ng pito. Mukhang si Mike pa napituan ng foul dito.
Meralco playing catch up. They've only scored 4 points in this match.
Meralco scores
maliwanag.
12. They will catch the 33 points of Northport. Limitless naman, naka-18 nga lang, nakaraan. So they need a win and they need points. Hindi pa pwedeng matapos ng mababa score nila. Out pa rin sila. Magagaya sila doon sa kanina sa Sista. Right now they're 18. Northport's 33. So in essence, they're gonna need to win by at least 16. By scoring at least 16.
So free throw coming up out by Simon Camacho.
Good start para dito sa team ng Limitless, still ahead at this stage of the match.
Coach Ronnie, alam naman natin, pinapakita nga natin, new look yung Limitless. Pero dahil doon sa success ng previous squad na itong Phoenix franchise dito sa PBA 3x3, may carry-over ba yung pressure o
Meron.
parang kay na Coach Willie, hindi, bago to?
Meron.
Meron, no? Kasi pag nakatikim ka ng ganun success
Meron.
nakaka-addict yung manalo no?
Good conversion coming from Batino, faking the handoff, able to go to his strong side and beat the smaller defender. Batino played really well yesterday para sa Meralco. First point para kay Alfred Batino. 8 rebounds para sa Meralco, 5 para sa team ng Limitless. But the key is, merong dalawang 2-point conversions. Ang Limitless, ang Meralco wala pa. And they're late again closing out on Tamsi.
Oh, look at that step through. Tamsi taking care of business. Limitless by 3. Under 6 remaining in this game. Mike Guess escapes a double team. Camacho though snatches the board. Tamsi puts it on the deck. Bit kung bit. Pero kaya Francis.
Another poor closeout and almost a turnover para sa Meralco.
Medyo sluggish ngayon ang balls, Coach
Oo.
Ronnie. Ha? Batino on the run, matalas. Batino pa rin. Nagpasabit na lang.
Look at Tamsi working really hard, total of 6 points para dito kay Tamsi. At lahat ng close out, inatake niya. Lahat ng nalate ang close out, tinirahan niya.
Sorry, miss. Para dito kay Pascual. My guess at the slot. Meralco's down by 3. Bandino. Thought about the pass. Pulls the trigger. Ball is picked up by Sedorifa. My guess at the post. Back to Joseph. Sedorifa knocks down the deuce.
They needed that. Walang outside shooting. Hindi makastop. They needed that to get to their 9 point.
Salva. Great stopping power.
Fighting the fake and beaten once again. Nakita kahapon yan doon sa laban nila kontra Northport.
Ginaya ni Sedorifa. Pumatak din ang handbrake dito. Naku, 2 mintis para kay Sedorifa. Tamsi couldn't make him pay though.
Meralco needs to get to 11 points, diba? Tama, no?
12. Just to tie, you know? Sana ba?
If they lose.
Yun, Kaya nga, if you get to 12, win or lose, mukhang okay ka naman. Because they already beat Northport anyway.
Inside basket para sa Meralco. They hit 10 points but Limitless still ahead by 1. Make that 3 on this conversion coming from Nico Salva.
Mike Kess at the post. Deep kontra kay Tamsi. Ganda naman ang gulang doon. May umumang no?
Meron.
And Meralco now with 11. 21 kasi sila, 33 in Northport.
Tama.
Pero they beat Northport anyway. Limitless only at 18 in their loss. Right now they're looking good with 13. They're gonna need 16 and the win.
16
The win
and a win.
at least 16 in order to advance. Ito ang pinakamahirap na cover. First shift, day 2. Kasi kailangan may baong kang calculator. Ang pinakamasayang cover, first shift, day 1 or second shift, day 2 dahil knockout na. Wala na tayong compute pa. Kung sino manalo, lusot.
Huwag ka magalala, hindi ka makakapili ngayon.
Ikaw rin, Coach Franz.
Teammate tayo, pero masusing pag-aralan. This is the final game. Sa pool play, Limitless looking to win. And try and get to the quarterfinals. They're shooting the ball well from the 2-ball. Meron na silang 3 made 2-point shots.
Camacho down low. Simon puts it up kontra kay Sedorifa. Simon pa rin for the board. Salva unleashes it. Salva couldn't deliver it. Gonzaga cycles it out. Sedorifa goes to Maikes. Dexter misses. Salva down low to Camacho. Back to Nico. Two-pointer is a miss. Both squads coming up dry as of late. Sedorifa stopping on a dime once again. Hiluwa pa rin yan. But Tonino Gonzaga hustles for the loose ball. Tonino from deep. Wala pa rin.
Oh, this is the best spot para kay Nico Salva, but he gives up that extra pass to Camacho, who hurts them in the 2-point shot.
He rattles home the deuce. That gets them to 15. They need the win and to score at least 16. Gonzaga off the twirl.
Meralco has 12, but they're down by 3. Late closeout again.
Tamsi misses. Ooh, Salva took it right to the cheek. Kita natin yung kalug ng mukha, Coach Ronnie. Pero atibay at tao naman niya si Nico. Tingnan mo to.
Salva playing really well. 4 na 2-point conversions para sa Limitless. That's 8 of their 12 points. Rather, 8 of their 15 points.
Pinapaliwanag nga ni Nico sa rep. Sa mukha ako tinamaan rep. Buti nilang atibay at tao si Salva. Kung ako tinamaan ng Coach Ronnie, mga 2 linggo.
Ikaw, 2 linggo lang.
Mas matibay ka naman. Ikaw mga
Sa kulay lang. Sa kulay lang.
Timeout tayo with the score at 15-12. 2:15 remaining in this game. Meralco, a foul away from the penalty. Limitless with a couple to give. Bola nandirito pa rin sa Appmasters.
Preempted foul.
Boom! Yun, sinasabi nga ni Salva, there was no play on the ball. Salva Swinging back to live action over to Camacho. Hit a deuce earlier. This time it's a floater. Simon misses though. Put back is good para Pascual. May kasama pang foul.
Limitless really playing hard. Very strong performance para sa Appmasters. We're now up by 4.
They got the points they needed, 16. Now they just gotta make sure they take the victory.
Walang flow sa execution ng Meralco.
Yeah.
Unlike what we saw before.
So the points are there for Limitless, pero ang kailangan pa rin nila yung panalo. Meralco needs another basket to overtake Northport. Sedoripa saves it to nobody. Sa ngayon, tabla sa total points si Meralco at Northport.
So they need one more point, correct?
Yeah, tabla eh.
But they keep taking the 2-point shot.
Sabi mo nga, maganda yung pag-asa ng Meralco to advance. Now Limitless has 19.
If they can score.
Pag nagtabla dyan, parehong 33, may winner over the other naman.
Tignan natin.
Yan ang antay natin yung official. Sayang yung 2-0 ngayon, Coach Ronnie. Last week, 1-1 yung mga hula. Ngayon, 2-0. We want to keep it clean. We want a 3-0 today. Ayaw lang bigay ni Coach Ronnie yung virtual knockout kanina. 4-0 dapat.
A chance to win para dito sa Limitless. We've scored 5 2-point baskets already.
Tamsi. Getting by Marquez. Drops it off to Camacho. Nabitawan. Tonino for 2. Huli.
Tonino has to move that basketball.
Tonino gets it to drop.
1-point shot.
Piso lang, pero they get the 13 they needed. Now, ang pinagdadasal ng Northport, makahabol ang Meralco at nakawin to. Kung hindi, out sila. No?
Limitless up by 6.
Referees will review this. 56 seconds na lang natitira. All 4 of these pool games today, cutthroat, Coach Ronnie. Enjoy na enjoy tayo.
Aliwanag.
Hawak pa yata. Was it still in his hand?
Ano nakita mo, Timmy?
Parang hawak pa eh. Nasa dulo pa ng daliri. Yun nga, knockout. Sa kaduluduluhan ng daliri ni Camacho. Meralco wants to talk things over. Mamili ka, Coach Ronnie. Kapag ka kasi nag-D1 ka, pioneer ang kalaban. Pag nag-D2 ka, TNT. Lose-lose situation yan. Pareho mabigat eh.
Dito yung reward na tinatawag ay parusa. Pero ganun talaga. If you want to bring home some money or a lot of money, you have to endure. Diba? You have to be the last team standing. Wala namang madaling daan at walang madaling paraan para manalo.
Does Meralco have one last push? They got 56 seconds to try and make up 6 points. Gonzaga up and under. Huli pa rin. Limitless can win with a 2-pointer, but it is taken away by the Bolts. Inside they go to Batino.
Finally, Tonino gives up the basketball underneath. They're still behind by total of 5 points.
Uh-oh. Nakanakaw na naman ba? Oh. Kanino ba ang bola? Re-review daw.
I thought that clearly gray shirts ang may control dito ng bola. Nabitawan ni Dodong. Titignan natin kung tama ang ating nakita. Ayan, no?
Si Doripa nga. Tumapik palabas. And the ref says white ball. Gray ball. So Salva will rifle it in. 27 seconds to go. Nico, huli. Pero merong foul. At dahil penalty na Meralco, 2 shots to. Salva can win it at the line.
Oo nga. That's a poor call. Or rather, poor decision on the part of Marquez. Game on the line, you give up. 2 free throws.
Sa paghabol ni Mike, hindi naman nung kay Batino.
And
Salva.
Salva will make sure that they are over the hill with a converted free throw.
Limitless forces a triple tie in Pool D. And by all indications, unofficially, they punched their ticket into the next round.
At malalaman natin kung sino magtatap sa pool na ito at sinong papangalawa. Northport standing along the wings trying to check if they'll make it, or will Limitless be able to get to the quarterfinals. Well done para sa Limitless. Convincing win laban sa Meralco po.
First things first, best player of the game, it is Al Francis Tamsi with 8 points on 5 of 10 shooting. Si Coach Ronnie lumakad sandali, sisiguraduhin kung tama ba, kung 3-0 ba ang mga hula namin ngayong championship day ng leg 4. Pero ang alam lang nating sigurado, pagkatapos na itong break, knockout quarterfinals na tayo featuring the first pairing in Platinum and SMB.